Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so glad you guys enjoyed my first vlog. Thank you guys for all the love and support. Well, today we're going to be making pancakes, and this was specially requested by a subscriber, and I'm so glad you guys answered me. So I actually asked the question on Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, go and follow me. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and let's get into the video. So guys, the first thing we're going to be doing is listing out our ingredients. We have 1 cup of flour, half a cup of sugar, then 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 3/4 cup of milk. Yeah, liquid milk. So we have 1 egg and oil. We're just going to be using 1 tablespoon. Don't worry, we're not putting everything in. So now we're just going to mix our dry ingredients together. Add your sugar, and then add your what's that thing called? Yeah, baking powder. Yeah, so when that's done, yeah, you can just mix everything together and make sure they get incorporated very, very well. If you're someone that likes the balance of salt and sugar, you could always add that. Yeah. Alright guys, so now we're going to be mixing our dry ingredients, and we're going to be using 1 egg, and then we'll also add 1 tablespoon of oil, and we'll also add like half a cup of our milk already. Then guys, I was supposed to tell you guys a story today, but I couldn't, so you'll probably get it, I don't know when. And yeah, if you're wondering why my milk has that color at the bottom, I use coconut milk, not normal milk here, and I did not like buy coconut milk. I sort of made coconut milk, so those things will definitely be in the video or in the mixture. So yeah, after adding, I just mixed that very, very well. Alright guys, so we're going to be mixing our dry ingredients and wet ingredients now. So just add your dry ingredients in bits, yeah, so that you won't dirty the whole place. So add your dry ingredients in bits, and then till it becomes very thick that you cannot add more dry ingredients, and you now have to add the rest of the milk that we had left. So don't forget your milk still comes in handy. So just mix that all together, and if you have some lumps, it's fine. The more you mix, the more they go down. Alright guys, so now we're going to be frying our pancakes. I'm using 2 tablespoons of oil. You could substitute for butter, but anyone that works well for you is fine. My pan is not non-stick, so I need a good amount of oil when frying this. So now just add in your pancake batter. I'm using a scoop to scoop it, and then don't mind my tour, you can do it anyhow you want it, but I just wanted to do something a little bit different. Don't mind me. It's still gonna give you the circular kind of motion and everything. So you're gonna let this fry till you start seeing bubbles on the top of the pancake, so just like what we have here, those bubbles. Then it's now time to flip it. Make sure your flipping game is right. You get it? So flip that, and then just let it fry for about 2 minutes or 1, depending on how hot your fry pan is. Then you now remove it, and you can see how the front is. It's already done. So now let's plate it, guys. So just add your pancakes to a plate, and guys, I have a very interesting sauce for this pancake. Guess what it is? Guess. It's actually watermelon sauce, and if you want to see how this is going to be made, stick to my Instagram. Don't leave there, just go and follow me on Instagram right now. So guys, if you love this video, just post it now and like it, and then make sure to give me a comment, because I don't understand why you guys don't want to communicate with me, and when I want to communicate with you, do you guys get me? So this thing was very, very delicious. You should try it. So subscribe. Bye guys.